Hello, my name is Fiona, and I'm a certified teacher and a Praxis coach with Study.com. Are you planning to take the Praxis Psychology exam? This is Praxis test code 5391. This worked solution set covers the content category of lifespan development and individual differences. It focuses on how humans grow and change throughout their entire lives, from conception to death, and concepts on how people develop and experience life in unique ways. Let's review the types of questions you can expect to encounter on this exam. Question number 1. After years of exploration and contemplation, an adolescent decides to become a marine biologist because of their passion for marine life conservation. According to James Marcia, which of the following identity statuses is the adolescent in? Identity diffusion, identity foreclosure, identity achievement, or identity moratorium. Identity diffusion is when there is no commitment or exploration. Identity foreclosure involves commitment without exploration. Identity moratorium is also incorrect as it describes exploration without commitment. The correct answer is identity achievement, where the adolescent has explored options and made a committed decision. Question number 2. Which of the following best characterizes a person in late adolescence? The person is between 15 and 17 years old. The person is experiencing peak growth. The person has a strong understanding of their sexual identity. Or the person shirks away from abstract thought. The person is between 15 and 17 years old, and the person is experiencing peak growth do not accurately characterize a person in late adolescence. Additionally, the person shirks away from abstract thought is incorrect because late adolescence is typically when individuals begin to engage more deeply with abstract and complex thinking. The correct answer here is the person has a strong understanding of their sexual identity, which reflects the developmental milestones of late adolescence, including identity formation and self-understanding. Question number 3. Lev Vygotsky's theory of cognitive development splits speech development into 4 stages, the first of which includes infants crying or grunting for their needs. He refers to this as egocentric speech, naive psychology, pre-intellectual speech, or autonomous speech. Egocentric speech refers to when children talk to themselves to guide their actions, a later stage of development. Naive psychology pertains to a child's understanding of mental states, not related to speech stages. Similarly, autonomous speech describes when children begin to use language more independently and is a later stage. The first stage, where infants cry or grunt for their needs, is referred to as pre-intellectual speech. Question number 4. The manager of a team can effectively persuade their team members to complete a task and can perform and complete multiple tasks within the stipulated time. According to Sternberg's theory of intelligence, which of the following types of intelligence does the employee most likely demonstrate? Analytical intelligence, creative intelligence, theoretical intelligence, or practical intelligence. Analytical intelligence focuses on problem-solving skills and logical reasoning, which are not the main attributes in this scenario. Creative intelligence relates to innovation and generating new ideas, which also doesn't fit the described abilities. Similarly, emotional intelligence focuses on understanding and managing emotions, which doesn't fully encompass the manager's practical skills in persuasion and multitasking. According to Sternberg's theory of intelligence, the employee most likely demonstrates practical intelligence, which involves the ability to handle everyday tasks and interpersonal interactions effectively. I trust I was able to clarify the types of questions you will find about the content category of lifespan development and individual differences for the Praxis 5391 exam. Please remember to like and subscribe to this channel so that with Study.com's help, you will feel well equipped and well prepared for exam day. Wishing you the best of luck with your preparations and exam. Bye for now.